Hey Milton, have you heard about Taobao sofa recommendation link? They said that if you search sofa on Taobao, it's going to show your status. If they recommend you an expensive one, then that means you are rich. But if they show you a cheap one, that means you are a loser.
Oh, really? That sounds so funny. Oh, let me try it. I want to say what they say about me.
Go ahead, I dare you.
No problem. I always buy high-end furniture. Just watch. Let me show you.
Okay. Well, look at this sofa, 99 yuan and free shipping. Are you sure you are high-end taste? Stop refreshing, man. Taobao knows you too well. Looks like you've been officially classified as a loser. Look at mine. Let me search about sofa. Look at that. 4,795 yuan. See, who is Taobao high-end user?
Why does this happen? Today, we are going to discuss how Taobao provides personalized recommendations for customers through big data and predictive analysis. As one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world, Taobao has millions of users browsing, searching, and purchasing goods every day. With such a huge amount of data, how to provide each user with recommended products that match their interests is exactly what Taobao has achieved. Through the power of big data and predictive analysis, let's imagine Taobao's recommendation system as an experienced detective. This detective doesn't just rely on surface information, but analyzes users' potential needs from multiple angles. In this process, the system uses four main types of clues to piece together a comprehensive user profile. Let's break down these clues. The first clue is the user profile. Think about how you get to know someone by understanding their interests, age, and purchasing power. Taobao's system uses similar descriptive data to build a basic understanding of the user's preferences. This involves collecting large-scale user information such as demographics, browsing history, and purchasing behavior. In terms of technology, this process relies on big data analysis and feature engineering. The system uses techniques like clustering and association rules to segment users based on their behaviors and preferences. Collaborative filtering is another important algorithm here, allowing the system to match similar users and make personalized recommendations. The second clue is the relationship between users and items. This connection is like the relationship between a customer and the stores they frequently visit. The system captures interactions between users and products, such as searches, wish lists, and purchases, to understand what the user is interested in. To achieve this, Taobao leverages bipartite graphs or sparse matrices to represent user-item relationships. The collaborative filtering algorithm further uses techniques like SVD, singular value decomposition, or ALS, alternating least squares, to uncover hidden patterns between users and products, enabling more targeted recommendations. The third clue is behavioral sequencing data. Imagine that every time a user clicks, browses, or buys something, Taobao records these actions, tracing their digital footprints. By analyzing these sequences, the system can predict the user's next move, refining the recommendations even further. The underlying technology here includes time series analysis and advanced models like RNN, recurrent neural networks, or LSTM. Long short-term memory. These deep learning methods help the system capture complex behavioral patterns and make real-time predictions about what the user might be interested in next. Finally, the fourth clue is the relationship graph between items. For example, if a person buys a camera, it's likely they might also be interested in a camera lens or a camera bag. This item relationship graph helps the system identify similar or complementary products, enriching the recommendation possibilities. Technically, this involves using graph neural networks (GNN) to build item relationships and knowledge graphs to model the connections between products. The system identifies related or complementary items through item collaborations or associations, offering users a more holistic shopping experience.
It's the motherfucker.